Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. I just wanted to shoot this video to talk about what's holding you back. What's holding you back from pursuing the thing that you want to do? I think the number one enemy to those who are pursuing a dream, aspiration, a goal, the number one enemy of that dream or goal from being accomplished is you. You're the enemy. You know what I mean by that is a lot of times we talk ourselves out of doing that thing we want to do. Whether we say, "Oh, I'm not good enough," or "I'm too old," or whatever it is, we always make excuses on why we can't do something. When I personally believe that a lot of us are fully capable of doing more than that we think. But like I said in other videos, it comes down to your mindset. That's why mindset development in anything that you're pursuing is so important. You have to build confidence. And I don't know how many people I've seen that get really excited. They fantasized about once they get this goal, how it's going to change their life. And they think all these great things. And then all of a sudden a roadblock comes and then they just quit. Instead of trying to find a solution to that problem, they just up and quit. And who knows, right on the other side of that roadblock could be, it could be your road to success. But because you're too hard on yourself and you're not willing to try to find a solution to the problem you're having, then you just get up and quit. If I wouldn't have had some of the success I've been having lately if I quit so many years ago. This is a passion for me. To create my own business online has been something that I have been pursuing for the last 5 years, and I've had some ups and I've had some downs, but I got over those roadblocks and I kept moving forward. And that's why I found Internet Lifestyle Pros, and it's a great platform to promote my Power Lead System business. And it provides so much value to the people that join, because we're one giant group of people that are here to help you get started and all that stuff. But so many people give up too soon just because they're not getting results right away. It takes time. And a lot of people in our society today, because we have so many conveniences, think that they want an easy fix. They want something now without putting any work or any effort into the thing they're pursuing. So I just wanted to shoot this video for you guys today, just to kind of get you thinking. What can I do to improve myself? What can I do to motivate myself? What can I do to find solutions to my problems, so I can keep pursuing that thing I want? And that's really what I want to say in this video. It's not a long video, but I just wanted to shoot this video because I was thinking about this the other day and how far I have come personally. And had I quit so long ago, I wouldn't be where I am now. I wouldn't have gotten out of my comfort zone, started my YouTube channel, and get going. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got something out of it. Hit the like button if you liked it, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be pumping out a lot of videos. I love doing videos. I think in the last week I've made about 7 of them. Some for my business promotion, and some are standalone ones like this for anybody to get something out of it. So hit the subscribe button below, and when you do that, you'll see a little notification bell pop up right next to the button, and make sure you hit that button as well, because that will give you notifications for when I upload new content. So I hope you guys have a great day. It's almost the 4th of July tomorrow here in America. I hope you guys have a great day for those of you who are watching here in America. So I hope you guys have a great 4th of July, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.